Ooh. All right. Looks great. All right, we just walked up. I'll give you guys an intro in a little bit. First, we're gonna catch a fish. Be very careful right here, boys. Out here, first cast. Instant bass. Huh? Oh, that happened right below us, guys. That was awesome. I saw him come up and hit it and everything. A little bass. Just got here on the Chicago River, right in front of the tunnel. Awesome. No way, I just had another one right here, guys. We're gonna catch another one right here on the spinnerbait. It looks like they're sitting right here on this wall. There he is. What did I say? Number 2.
Get one.
Yep. Number 2.
I'm gonna see how the fish feels.
Go ahead, Beba. This hook is in there. Good. Let me get this out.
Scared. Touch fish.
Here, come here, Beba. You want to touch them?
No.
No?
I want to touch them.
They're just sitting right here. Look at that, guys. I mean, I'm talking straight down here. I'm basically suspending my spinnerbait, and they're grabbing it, almost like just the jig portion they're seeing, and they're grabbing it. The blades are in no effect right now. That's the first 2 fish right on this wall right here. Let's go. We are here, North Shore Channel, regular spot. We have my littlest, Jonah. Say hello, Jonah.
Hi.
And then we have my beautiful wife, Kristen, and Elisha. Say hello, Elisha. And today we are just doing some fishing. We got out, spending a little time with the family this evening at the local spot. Here we have the old Ned Rig Z-Man TRD. We're gonna toss that right here. See if we can pop any bass. Oh, there's one. That was such a good hit. I almost missed him. There we are. Right there on that Z-Man TRD that I just showed you. We just started tossing it in there in this tunnel. And yeah, he got rocked right in the lip there. I'll take that out. Another nice Chicago River bass here. Yes, sir. Always a good evening after work with the family. There's one. Nice fish too. All right, we finally got that tree bass. Another bass on that spinnerbait. Good bite today. Nice evening bite out here with the family. Just enjoying some time. Going in for the release. Beautiful fish. Here comes the boats, guys. Here comes New Trier. I could hear him. What is it with New Trier, man? Every time they come by, I catch a fish. Here we go, guys. Another one with all that boat traffic. It does not seem to matter. Those New Trier rowing boats actually seem to be luck. Every time they come by, we get one. Gonna go in for the release. This, I believe, is our fourth one. I mean, we've been here for like an hour and a half maybe by now. And it has just been a very, very, very fun evening out here with the family.
Fishy.
So we're gonna get ready, take this guy, go in for the release. We're having a lot of fun out here. And then we would go and catch some more Chicago River North Shore Channel bass. Go on and throw them in for me, buddy. That's what I thought. Well, guys, all my old rods are just breaking. They're just breaking. I didn't get snagged or nothing. All I do is reel in and lift up and my rod snapped. So I have I have absolutely no jigging rods now. Alright, adept anglers, that is going to do it for us. Thank you guys very much for watching. From my families to yours, we wish you guys a very happy holidays, a very safe holidays. As you saw, we caught those fish on the spinnerbait today. It's a very effortless bait to throw and mindless. You cast out, you reel in, and you catch fish. They don't always bite, but when they do, you hook up and you have a fun day like we did today. We were out here for about 2 hours and we caught several bass, had a bunch of fun, and again, appreciate your support. We'll see you guys next time. You guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys again. We are out. Peace.